We're going to have a very quick look at the Zeta Gas Sense gas detection unit. So this particular one is the ZS FP MTE 5%. So this particular one is for a job for methane natural gas detection. So just give you a little look at what actually gets shipped in the unit. So typical thing here, the instruction manual for this. This is sort of a generic manual for the entire range of gas detection. So depending, when you go to order this, you need to know what gas you're trying to detect. So this particular one is methane, but it gives you kind of an overview of how the unit comes apart. So when you actually try and terminate into this, there's a fair bit of stuff comes off the front of it. There's Allen wrenches and then something held in with screws, and you know, you have to go a fair bit back to actually get into the inside of this to where your cables are terminated into. So I'll show you the actual lugs and stuff now in a second, but you know, there's sort of a mounting guide depending on the gas that you're detecting, the height that this should go at, lighter than air, heavier than air, that kind of thing. So you need to make sure that the actual detection head is being mounted where it should be, and then you're setting it up. This particular one can actually attach to a addressable gas sensing system where you could have, I think it's up to 200 individual detectors on it, but this particular one is going in on a job that's just standalone. You can set your adjustments, your part per million, and then there's a guideline of how to actually do your bump test and your calibrations and that kind of stuff. So kind of a setup guide there. So, you know, a basic but comprehensive enough instruction manual with it. Details of the different gases available and the part numbers for the various aspects of it. So let's just have a look at the actual unit itself. So standard cardboard box. This is the actual unit. It's flame-proof, latex rated, so fairly chunky unit. This is the actual gas detection head here, where you connect your gas for testing it, and this is where your sniffer is. So yeah, nice screen. There's a fair bit involved in kind of pulling it apart to look inside it. There's outputs for first level alarm, second level alarm, fault, and actual alarm. So you've a selection of ways of connecting this. You can interlink these into a bigger system, or this particular one is actually just going to be interfaced directly with a localized sounder and connected to the fire system. They only just want to know, has the gas detection gone off? So it's not an overly complicated gas detection. But yeah, just thought I'd show that to you. Thanks.